In this question, we're looking at two similar shapes. The angles in similar shapes are equal, so corresponding angles will be the same. In part A, we want to find the value of x. This corresponds to the 60-degree angle, so x must equal 60 degrees. In part B, we have to work out the length of y. So with similar shapes, we find two sides that correspond to each other. So the 2 at the top corresponds to the 5 at the top of the other shape. In order to find out how much bigger the larger side is, we take the larger number, 5, and we divide it by the smaller, which is 2. So that, if we wanted to work with the decimal, is 2.5. Each length in the larger shape is 2.5 times the length in the smaller shape. So if we look at y, this corresponds to the 3. So we need to multiply the 3 by the 2.5, or use the fraction 5/2. Sometimes the fraction will lead to a rounded off decimal, and it's not a good idea to use the rounded off decimal, so it's better to get in the habit of using the fractions. So in order to work out the length of y, we take the 3 centimeter side and we multiply it by 5/2. 3 is 3/1, so that will give us 15/2, which is 7.5. In part C, we need to find z, which is in the smaller shape. This corresponds to the 9, but this time we're looking at coming the other way because z is smaller. So rather than multiply by 5/2, we would be dividing. So we take the 9 and we divide it by the 5/2. Because we're dividing by a fraction, we would effectively take the number 9/1, and multiply and turn the fraction upside down to get 2/5. And if we work that out, we will get the answer 3.6 centimeters.